Hello. those who are I'm finding few people are online. For them, I'm telling that the class I will start at 5:20. Hmm. Today, good evening, everyone. Today, I am working in a different environment. So, there may be some differences because first time operating this environment. Compound assignment operator. Actually, mainly there is a problem with writing on the screen, but I'm trying. If you remember, I'm seeing some of you have joined now. See, last week there was the holiday, and before that I took the class, and I was talking about logical operators, if you remember. I told you that there is the set of values of true and false, which are called as Boolean values. They are considering the two states of anything, like yes and no, true and false, right or wrong. Wherever such things are coming, and you have given to analyze them and to work with them, in that situation, Boolean values are considered. And there is everything separate while you work with Boolean operators, or in fact Boolean values together on the computer. Now, even there is a data type also in Java called as Boolean. For example, if you declare like this, Boolean X. Actually, this is not working perfectly. It is taking a delay or something like this. So when you are taking writing pad is not working properly in this environment, so I have to take some other option. Coming to, let us say, gedit, I can come. Text editor. Then this you may see public class check. Public static void main string args Boolean, say x equal to true, system.out.println s. Suppose this I am writing, and say I am saving this as bool.java, and let us take another terminal. In NetBeans also this can be done, but in fact in here in this NetBeans setting has not been done for enlarging the characters. So Java, ये मैंने गलत किया है ऊपर में, Control S, this should be check.java, it is saved. And then coming to this, here untitled, coming to terminal, yes. Suppose I am writing Java C, this you may not see properly on the screen, Java C, check.java I am writing. Control S, coming to this. Now see, this compilation has been done, and then when I will run this Java check, then you see 2 is printed. Not you see, they are coming very small. So even if you are seeing on the mobile, you may not see it properly. But with the help of this program, I just want to show that there is a variable type Boolean which is set as true or even false, which are used further for different data manipulation tasks. Right now, this is only to tell that the true and false are the Boolean values which can be set to different variables of Boolean type. Last day, I was focusing on the specific operator, and where I told you that when 2 or more than 2 Boolean values are there to be combined, there can be different situations. Particularly, I was focusing on AND. Like, if you remember, I gave you the example of your Java class taken by me, and I told you that suppose the Java class which I am taking depends on 2 factors, that it is Saturday and the network connectivity is appropriate. Now, for all these 3, suppose I'm writing here itself, I will delete itself. Suppose आप रिकॉल कीजिए कि मैंने माना था कि सपोज वेरिएबल ए इज Manish Mishra is taking Java class, B is it is Saturday, and C is appropriate. I am speaking also together, so if you are not seeing properly on the screen, you can hear me what I say. Now, suppose variable A is, Manish Mishra is taking Java class. There can be two situations for this. Either it can be true or it will be false. Why Manish Mishra is taking the class? Manish Mishra is not taking the class. It is Saturday. ये स्टेटमेंट भी या तो ट्रू होगा या फॉल्स होगा, या तो आज सैटरडे है या सैटरडे नहीं है. नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी इज अप्रोप्रिएट, या तो मैं सही बोल रहा हूं या मैं गलत बोल रहा हूं. So true and false possibilities are there for all these three, and it is told that when A is depending on B and C, then it is written as A equal to B ampersand ampersand C. This ampersand ampersand is the symbol of and operator. This is a logical operator. मैं आज इस एनवायरनमेंट में चूँकि ठीक से पेन से नहीं लिख पा रहा हूँ, इसलिए थोड़ी डिफ़िकल्टी हो सकती है तुमको देखने में. मैं यहाँ पर ऑब्ज़र्व कर पा रहा हूँ, लेकिन मैं साथ साथ बोल रहा हूँ. देन यू कैन ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई वांट टू टेल. ये अगर इस एनवायरनमेंट में करें तो शायद थोड़ा बड़ा हो जाए. एक बार फिर से मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. ए मॉस ABC server is coming. Crane School connecting with my user. चलो थोड़ा बड़ा है. So when I am writing A equal to B ampersand ampersand C, this tells that A will be true only when B is true and C is true. This above condition I explained last day. I am only giving you the revision of this. That A is true means Manish Mishra is taking Java class only when it is Saturday and the network connectivity is appropriate. When when B is true and C is true, then only A will be true. And if you remember, I explained this with the help of a table like B, C, A. When this is false, this is false, this is also false, this is true, this is false, then this is false, this is false, this is true, then it is also false, and finally, when this is true and this is true, this can be true. When B is false means when B is true means it is Saturday. When C is true means the network connectivity is appropriate. Then only A will be true, means Manish Mishra will take Java class. So this is AND operator. This is the symbol of AND operator I am mentioning. And using this symbol, different Boolean values can be combined using AND. Another is OR. Let me recall about this also. Let us say condition A is Suman is writing on the paper. B is she has a pen. C is she has a pencil. इसके भी दो कंडीशन हो सकते हैं, इट इज ट्रू और फॉल्स. कंडीशन ए इज बीइंग टोल्ड सुमन इज राइटिंग ऑन द पेपर, या तो ये सही है या ये गलत है. शी हैज अ पेन, मतलब या तो ये सही है या ये गलत है. She has a pencil, this can be true or this can be false. Now you are seeing that B and C decides about A. That means A is depending on B and C. So let us write different situations. B, C and A. When this is false, C is false, this is also false. B is false means she has no pen. C is false means she has no pencil. A will certainly be false. Suman cannot write on the paper. Now B is true means she has a pen. C is false means she has no pencil, but she can write. Similarly, when this is false, B is false means she has no pen. C is true means she has a pencil. Then A is true, she can write on the paper. Similarly, this is true and this is true, then this is also true. This is written, this situation is written in Java language as A equal to B pipe pipe C. This pipe is the symbol of OR operator. Pipe, this is pipe symbol, this is coming as backslash. The key just up to enter key with a backslash, this symbol is given. Pipe symbol it is called. Pipe is used as OR operator in Java. Ampersand is used for AND operator, and pipe is used for OR operator. So they too are logical operator. There is one more logical operator. This is called a NOT operator. This reverses the situation. If it is true, then it makes it false. I will not tell much detail about it by taking an example, but suppose A is true. Then you are writing C equal to not A. This is the symbol of not. ये नॉट का सिंबल है, आपको दिखाई पड़ रहा है, यहां पर मैंने हाईलाइट किया है, थोड़ा अलग करके दिखा दे. एक्सक्लेमेशन का जो सिंबल है, दैट इज नॉट ऑपरेटर. सो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग A equal to true and C is not A, then C will become false. Means it reverses the Boolean situation. So three logical operators I discussed. there are three main logical एक मिनट रुक जाओ। ये कोई कृष कुंदन है, उसने पूछा है कि वो स्कूल का सर्वर में लॉगिन करना चाह रहे हैं, वो लॉगिन नहीं हो रहा है। अभी तो मैं स्कूल के ही सर्वर पर लॉगिन होकर के, बिकॉज आई एम इन अ रिमोट लोकेशन, सर्वर इज एट डिफरेंट लोकेशन एंड आई एम देयर इन द स्कूल स्टूडियो टू discuss with the topic, and server is in the computer room. So I am connecting with the help of internet itself. If it is not connecting, that means there may have some difficulty with your username and password on my WhatsApp number, or yes, personally, if you will send me your ID, then I will reset your password. Okay. So there are three main logical operators. There are some one or two others are also there, but I'm discussing about the main three. First is AND operator. The symbol is ampersand, ampersand. This joins two Boolean values in such a way that the result comes true when both the operands in the expression appear true. In any other condition, result is false. Second is OR operator. This joins two Boolean values in such a way that the result comes true when either of the operands in the expression appears true. When both the operands are false, then only the result is false. You know, it is hidden besides me. और तीसरा है, और का सिंबल मैंने नहीं लिखा, और का सिंबल इज two pipes, and then not operator this logical operator is of unary type this means it uses only one operand and with this operator it reverses the Boolean value. This means true becomes false and false becomes true. ये तीनों लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर कहे जाते हैं. Its symbol is exclamation. Since I'm discussing with operators, I have explained about this, but its use, the practical part of this is not being considered right now. This either your teacher will consider, or certainly your teacher will consider when the situation will come for discussing and analyzing problem for this. You have to keep this concept in the mind so that when the problem solving situation comes, you can learn the details of this. You have to be this side. In the frame, then only the things are not seen things are seen properly. Anyway, now I'm coming to another operator, which is very important also and different also. Because this operator is, whatever the operator I am going to discuss, is especially used in Java and languages similar like Java. This is called compound assignment operator. Assignment operator, about assignment operator, you know that with the help of this, the values can be assigned to a variable. Like you are writing, let us say, you are writing A equal to 99.9. So when this you are writing, equal to sign here is working like assignment operator. Means that A is setting the value equal to is setting the value 99.9 in the variable A. So equal to here is the assignment operator. 1 minute रुक जाओ. Now, equal to here is the assignment operator you are seeing. The value 99 is assigned to A. In Java particularly, there are some other assignment operators which are called a compound assignment operator. Let us see one expression like this. Suppose A equal to, let us say, 99, and you are writing A equal to A plus 10. You are writing A equal to A plus 10. You know, this expression is wrong in mathematics. This expression is wrong in mathematics because a variable cannot be equal to the same variable having added with some value. In mathematics, such expressions are invalid. Such equations cannot be written. This is true in none of the situation. This is always false. But in computers, this equal to sign particularly is the assignment operator, and this assignment makes it true. Here, this A and this A, that means the variable to the left of assignment operator and the variable to the right of assignment operator both have different meanings. In mathematics, if A is written either in the left side or in the right side, both have same meaning. But in computers, particularly in Java language and C language and languages similar like this, when you are writing a variable, same variable in the two sides of the equality sign, then the two variables have different meaning. The variable which is in the left of equality is a variable to assign. यानी जो वेरिएबल इक्वलिटी साइन के लेफ्ट में होता है वो एक कंटेनर की तरह मुंह फैलाए, हाथ फैलाए कि भाई हमको दे दो. This is ready to take. And variable in the right of equality, from my perspective I am seeing, अगर तुम्हारे सामने तुम्हारे पेपर पर जो वेरिएबल लिखा हुआ है तो जो राइट साइड का वेरिएबल है सेम, वो उसके कंटेंट को शो करता है कि पहले से उसमें क्या रखा हुआ है. यानी मान लो एक डब्बा है, उस डब्बे में 5 चॉकलेट पहले से है और उसमें तुमने 3 चॉकलेट और डाल दिया. सिचुएशन ये है कि तुम्हारे पास डब्बा है, डब्बे में 5 चॉकलेट है, उस 5 चॉकलेट में 3 चॉकलेट तुमने और डाल दिया. इस सिचुएशन को मैथमेटिकल इक्वेशन के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? इस सिचुएशन को कंप्यूटर एक्सप्रेशन के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? डब्बा इक्वल टू डब्बा प्लस 3. द कंटेंट ऑफ द पैकेट नाउ is equal to the previous content of the packet plus 3 new contents. So here it is telling the current content, this is telling its previous contents, and this tells the value to add. So this is, in computer terminology, this process is called accumulation, deposition. आप इसमें डिपॉजिट करते हैं, पहले से जो है उसमें नया कंटेंट डाल दो. Or in other words, you can tell that current value of the variable you take, do the manipulation according to the operator specified, and put the result in the same variable. यानी a equal to a plus 10 का मतलब ये हुआ कि take the value of a, add 10 to it, and put the result back to a. आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. इसको मैं थोड़ा लिटरेचर के फॉर्म में लिख दूं. The above equation tells that take the value of a, add 10 to it, get the result, and put the result to a, replacing its previous value. जैसे तुमने इंक्रीमेंट ऑपरेटर पढ़ा, a plus plus you are writing. This means take the value of a, add 1 to it, and put the result back to a. Similarly, अगर आप लिखते हैं, इसको नहीं लिखे, अगर मान लिया मैं लिखूं a equal to a minus 10. This means that take the value of a, subtract 10 in it, get the result, and put the result back to a. Suppose you are writing tells that take the value of a, subtract 10 to it, get the result, and put the value back to a, replacing the previous one. उसी प्रकार a equal to a multiplication 10. अब आप आराम से समझ सकते हैं कि इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि take the current value of a, multiply 10 to it, and get the result and put the result back to a. आप अगर लिखे a equal to a division 10, that means take the value of a, divide the value by 10, and put the value back to a. Suppose you are writing, a equal to a modulus 10. This means take the value of a, divide the value by 10, collect the remainder, and put the remainder back to a, replacing its previous value. तो ये सारे ऑपरेशंस हैं जो वेरिएबल के कंटेंट को ले करके उसको मैनिपुलेट करके और रिजल्ट को वापस वहीं डाल देते हैं. ये एक स्पेसिफिक ऑपरेशन है. मैं फिर से आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन. दिस इज अ स्पेसिफिक काइंड ऑफ assignment where if a variable is containing something, its content is taken, operation is done, and the result is set back to the same variable, replacing the previous value. And for this, the specific operators are used. Those operators are called compound assignment operator. For all above mentioned operations, the specific operators are used. They are called compound assignment operators. They are compound addition operator, compound subtraction operator. इसका सिंबल है प्लस इक्वल टू, इसका सिंबल है माइनस इक्वल टू. कंपाउंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑपरेटर, इसका सिंबल है मल्टीप्लिकेशन इक्वल टू. कंपाउंड डिविजन ऑपरेटर, इसका सिंबल है डिविजन इक्वल टू. एंड इट इज कंपाउंड रिमाइंडर ऑपरेटर, इसका सिंबल है परसेंट इक्वल टू. And all these expressions which I wrote above can be written as a plus equal to 10. In that case, you can write. Here, a minus equal to 10 you can write. 10 minutes more. A minus equal to 10. Here you can write a multiplication equal to 10. Here you can write a division equal to 10. And for this you can write a remainder equal to 10. So all these specific operators are called compound assignment operator. ये जो वीडियो है ना, ये वाला ट्रांसमिट हो रहा है फाइनली. So this is a plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, and remainder equal to. All these 5 are called compound assignment operator. So from last day and before the last day, whatever the operators I was discussing, they all were in the category of binary operators. And this particular section of operators is coming to the end, as only one operator is left to discuss in this category, and that is the ternary operator. Unary operator, the operator with which only one operand is used. Binary operator, the operator with which two operands are used. And finally, ternary operator, with which three operands are used. Within a short span of time, within 5 minutes, I will discuss this thing in short. And in fact, whatever the things are there, I am discussing. So it is ternary operator. This is special type operator in Java that uses three operands. The expression is written as, suppose I write x equal to a question mark b colon c. This is the expression. This is the expression, and this is the expression, let us say, a question mark b colon c. Here A, B, and C are the three operands used in this expression. Without these three operands, exactly three operands are necessary for this. None of this can be removed. This ternary, this ternary operator question mark colon is used with three operands only, and only three operands. You cannot use two, you cannot use one. Exactly three operands are necessary, A, B, and C. And the order of the values is also fixed. Here, in the above expression, first operand is strictly Boolean. Here A will necessarily be a Boolean value. None of the other type can be used there. The first operand is necessarily Boolean. Means the values can be true or false. B and C are any value, any other value, any other values to be returned. According to the specification of this name of this ternary operator is called conditional operator. Conditional operator, when A is, when the first value is true. The value means the value of second operand is returned. When first value is false, then the value of third operand is returned. Now understand this. Suppose you are writing x equal to A question mark B colon C. Before that, you are writing A equal to true, B equal to 99, C equal to 100. What do you think? What will go in X? As A is true, X will become 99. And when this is false, then X will become 100. So depending on the value of the first operand, the returning of values in the output depends. Recall, the relational operator always returns Boolean values. So, let us say you are writing a Java program to tell which number is greater. Let us say A equal to 10, B equal to 20. You are writing C equal to, देखो I am writing result equal to A greater than B question mark A colon B. Print result. That means system.out.println print result. देखो भाई, इसमें इनपुट के लिए तुम्हारा GUI इंटरफेस ही सबसे अच्छा है, इसलिए कि उसमें सीधे इनपुट बॉक्स बना दिया, टेक्स्ट field you create or text area field you create. From there, using set text and get text, you can directly take the input, and your computer teachers may have been discussed these things properly. Since in my class I am bounded to discuss the theoretical and analytical part of the lesson, so I did not get into much details of the practical part and operating NetBeans. So only the application, how you will use this I am discussing. That suppose you are taking the value of A from the text box, you are taking the value of B from the text box and checking which one is getting the greater value. Either the greater value is given to A or greater value is given to B. So here you see you are writing the condition A is greater than B. This is a relational expression. And I told you that relational expression always return Boolean value. So if you are asking a question, is A greater than B? This can be either true or false. With the value you have entered, condition when is given, is A greater than B? On the basis of the values of A and B, this can either be true or false. So when this is true, when this condition is appearing true, when the first operand appearing with the ternary operator, appearing with the conditional operator is if appearing true, then A is returned. So value of A will go in result. And if this comes false, then value of B will go. Now with these values like A equal to 10 and B equal to 20 is written, what is the value of A greater than B? True or false? Of course, false. And in this situation, the third value is returned in the result. So when this is printed, 20 is printed. So greater among the two will be printed. So this is all about the section operators, though it was not given in such detail in your book, but in the subsequent sections of your problem solving in the book, these things was very much essential. That is why I thought to discuss it separately with this much detail. And since your examination is, I think, 10 on 11 maybe, कब एग्जाम 8 का? हाँ, 10th को तुम्हारा एग्जाम है, और उसके बाद का lessons, I think your computer teachers will continue, and I will take a kind of closure from your class. So if in case of any recommendation or need, I will continue my class in this way. Otherwise, I am thinking to wind up this evening session from the next semester. So thank you. Thank you, everybody. Continue your studies. And one problem I was finding, last day also I told, but I could not unlock. Some of you were trying to access the contents of Google Drive, but by mistake I made it restricted. In last class also I told that I will unlock it for common, but I could not do it. Again, today I am telling that when I will go home, I will unlock all the pages of the Google Drive, the link appearing in the videos. You can refer them. If not, those who are listening, I think so many students are here, you will kindly make me a phone call if I forget. You will not get the pages unlocked till next day evening. You can make me a phone call, you will send me a WhatsApp message so that I can get a reminder to get the things unlocked and the things to get ready for you. So thank you, everybody. Have a nice day. In fact, good night for you all. Thank you. कहाँ से लाइव सेशन बंद होता है ये? इतने ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स